Michelle here with Creative Operation. I wanted to share with you this album that I made for a friend of mine who's having a baby. And I just think it turned out really gorgeous, and I wanted to share it with you. So this album is a tutorial that I did a while ago called Baby's First Year, and I will put a link down below in the description. And I used Country Craft Creations Baby Dreams Girl Papers, and they're just absolutely a stunning collection. I just absolutely adored it. So that's what I did with this album. I just wanted to share with you what I did. I did make a couple tweaks with this album from the original tutorial, and I'm going to talk through those real quick and let you know. But here's the cover. I did, again, use the pattern paper from Country Craft Creations. The flowers and the bling here are from my stash. The gold mirror and the white Artisan cardstock are also from Country Craft Creations. And I also use summer ivory from Country Craft Creations, so I'll have links below for that if you want to go get that. But isn't this beautiful paper? I just absolutely love it. So this is intended to be Baby's First Year. So it's a huge, huge album. And it has 6 pages. The spine is 3.5 inches, and the pages are 8 by 10. So it's a very big album. But again, it's for Baby's first entire year. So in the front cover, and inside the back cover are accordion pockets and giant photo frames. So what it's intended for is the first inside cover is Baby's birth photos. Okay, so their first, welcome to the world baby photos. And then each of these inside cover pockets, they're accordioned, so they have lots of room. And then you could put, other pictures, memorabilia, anything you want to put in there. Baby's first photo here. I did adhere this so you could put the picture underneath. And then I did use some silhouette files that I had purchased for this project for my friend. And then as you go through the pages, the 6 pages, each side is for a month. So this is month number 1, month number 2, and so on. We'll go through all of the pages. All of the pages are the same in that they used my stacked waterfall method. Now, I did not use that in the original tutorial, so I was going to go through this and tell you, if you're familiar with this method, what the sizes of these pages are, and then I'll write it down in the description also, but I'll also give you the link to my waterfall tutorial that I did that will explain this whole process and how to kind of create them in many different sizes. Okay, so for this particular waterfall, I designed it for 4x6 photos, and each of the waterfalls requires 3 pieces of paper. So you will need a piece that's 6 1/4 by 11, 6 1/4 by 10, 6 1/4 by 9, and each of them are scored on the long side at 4 1/4, and then that will give you your pages. I did glue the back page down to the page of the album so that it would give me a place for the seam binding closure, and then I put the seam binding underneath the pattern paper on the first side. And again, I did purchase the silhouette files so that I could use that for this album. And there you have it. So the pages are like this. They're gorgeous. I love them. And you can fit 10 pictures on each waterfall, assembly. So it works out really well. You can put a lot of pictures in here. So each page has that. Each page is also a pocket page, and in the pockets I put just a giant photo mat, so you could put several different pictures here. You could put 1 picture and then journal, 1 on each side. Now, I did use some cardstock from my stash to kind of supplement. The pink, the yellow, and the green are from my own stash, but the summer ivory here and the white that I used for the base pages are all Country Craft Creations. So let's go through the other months. And so I did alternate colors. I wanted to kind of shake that up a little bit, but they're basically, the pages are all built the same way. So you have 10 photo opportunities on each side, and I just think it's beautiful. The seam binding is also from Country Craft Creations. Look at that little lamb, just so sweet. And yeah, so that's what the album looks like. I just love how this turned out. It just is gorgeous, and the colors are beautiful, and I just love it. So again, this one's a pocket as well. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. And I did tweak the album. So, and I think in my first tutorial, I did horizontal photo frames, and this one I did vertical ones. Just go back to that tutorial. You can check it out and see what you think. But again, each page is also a pocket. So there are 6 pull-outs for, you know, each page. There's one for each page. And that's what I did. So I just wanted to share that with you. And I have, again, links down below so you can get the papers, you can see my tutorials, and if you're not familiar with my stacked waterfall method, go check that out as well. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.